Hello guys! How are you? My name is Emilio. Today we are going to make a memory game. Yes! So fun! And we are going to play with it! Are you ready? Yes? So let's learn and play together! It's hands-on time!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time to have fun, it's time to learn. Hands on, it's time to play.
Do you love your family? Yes! I love my family too. I'm going to make a memory game using family members. So nice! Let's go! Let's see the family members we have here. There is a dad, mom, brother, grandpa, and grandma. Let's count the family members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 family members. To make our memory game, first we need to cut the family members' cards. We need 2 cards of each family member. Let's start with Dad. Let's cut. Here we have 2 dads. Now, Mother. Two mothers. Now, brother. Brother. Now, grandpa. Ta-da! Grandpa. And the last one, grandma. Grandma. Now we are ready to play. So let's start. Let's mix all the cards. Let's start. The first one. Oh, brother. And look, the brother is young. Now let's see here. Mother. This is not the brother. Who is she? Yes, she's mom. Let's try again. Ta-da! Look, mom. Mommy is happy. I think I know where the other mom card is. Do you know? Yeah? Yeah! That's it, guys! 1, 2 moms. We are doing a great job. Now, let's see. Grandma. Grandma is old. Let's see where is the other grandma. No. This is Dad. Again, let's try again. Now, let's see. Brother! Yes, brother! Do you know where the other brother card is? Yes, me too! Here! Yes, young brother! Now, ta-da! Who is she? Yes, that's Grandma. Grandma. Wait, where is the other grandma card? Do you know? Yes, me too. here, grandma, grandma. We have here already grandma, mom, and brother. We need to find dad and grandpa. Where are they? Let's see. Dad. Look, dad. And my dad is tall. Tall dad. Let's see who is here. The tall dad. Good job, guys. One more. And now, the last one. Grandpa. And here, grandpa. Yeah! We did it! Awesome! Did you like our memory game? You can play in your house too, with your family and friends. Guys, goodbye! See you next time here! Hands on!